And you're probably sitting here going, oh, please, please, show me a picture. What are we going to get to? Okay, you talked me into it.
That was
Our
easy.
goal, I know. Our goal is to actually get to, drum roll please. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum.
Nice.
All right, remember, we are under the sea. It's dark under there. Our fish are the things that are going to accent, and so I'm going to show you on these two pieces how I got from here to here. All right, we've got some coral that's been up underneath here. We've got our green little seaweed coming up on top. So it's also layering. So we've painted, we've dabbed, we've got the painting of that coming in. You can also come back with a little bit of royal icing, pipe it, and then take your paintbrush and dab it, and it'll look like the hard coral then when it's done, and then build your seaweed up on top of it. So we're going to put that up here, and we're going to go to here. How did we accomplish that? Well, I have a violet, Maricolored violet, and I'm just going to open that and put a little bit on my plate here. Ta-da! Just a little bit more. There we go. I'm actually going to put gloves on too because we're going to be sponging this cake, and your hands will become multiple colors really fast. And since I have to handle some other pieces, I'm going to protect my hands. So I have that. I have a royal blue. Going to put it over here on this side of the plate. Then I have a little bit of white. Going to come over here. Then I have a Maricolors Pearl Sheen Airbrush. These are the gels. These are the gels. This is an airbrush, and I want the airbrush because it's thinner, and it's actually going to act like my thinner for my painting. So I'm just going to drop some on top of that. Come on over here, and then I'm just going to put some right into the middle there as well. All right? Not hard. A dab, a dab, a dab, a dab. We're good. One paintbrush, sponges. All right. So I'm going to take, and you can cut them any size that you want. And I'm actually going to start over here by picking up the pearl, and then come in and get a little bit of the blue. Bring it off the plate there. And I'm going to start by doing my base. So this part here is the base of the cake. And remember, the base of the cake needs to be finished as well. A naked cake board is just that, naked. So let's make sure we cover it with fondant and we make it part of our cake. Right? And so I've done that, and all I'm going to do now is start going back and forth. Don't go dab, 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 dab in a line. We need to actually have that movement coming around. All right? So you're going to go so far with that color. Pick up a little bit more. Dab it there because we don't want that excess of it over here. Just need a little bit. Keep moving and dabbing it. All right? What you don't want to do is hit it and turn it. We just want to dab. So no twist. We do the twist when we do the dabs, but we don't do the twists as we're dabbing, except for the twist of the wrist. Then I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of that purple. And I'm also going to come in and dab it. Keep it moving all the way around. All right? So I've gotten that far. Remember my little paintbrush I told you we were going to need? There we go. All we're going to do is come in and do this to it. And swirl it. Make it so that it's the waves and it blends all the way down. If it's not moving really well for you, pick up a little bit of that pearl that we've put down inside of here and come on back over it. It'll add a little bit more to it. All right? So you're going to do that all the way around this board until you've got it completed. Dab, 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 dab. You can go really fast, really slow. We're going to make it go fast. Now remember, if you're going to put a cake in the center, don't worry about the center. That's wasted material, wasted time. Don't go for that. Just get your edges of exactly what you're going to be needing. All the way around. We're dabbing. It's called sponging. It's actually a technical name, sponging. We are sponging on our cake. I'm going to pick up the other one and come back in as well. All right? Quick and easy. I'm gonna put that up for you. Little brush, swirl it.
So you have a different sponge for each color.
I do. I don't want to blend the colors on my sponges. I want to blend the colors on my, we'll call this the palette, the painting edge. Yeah. If I use the same sponge on the colors, then I wind up with a block. There's nothing to it then. All right, so you can just keep blending that.